smiling robot.
The weekend is coming, but there will be no events in the city. Because of the flu, most residents will stay home for treatment.
I'm just going to buy jewelry and go to the police station. See you.
All right, I'll meet you there. Are you ready? I prepared a punch, snacks, and cake.
I decorated the room.
Great! He will be here in 10 minutes. Let's hide. Emmy, turn the lights off. Be quiet. You'll spoil the surprise. Happy birthday, Major Harry. Congratulations. I knew it was a false call. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate it. It's a pity that most friends are ill now. However, they sent you their gifts. I also feel a bit weak, but let's enjoy the party.
It's time for the firework.
Wow, what fireworks! Super!
Wow!
Great fireworks! Thank you all!
Let the party begin.
Who would like punch?
Everyone!
Yep. Guys? They're sleeping, but how?
Hello, Handy Andy. I see that only you are not sleeping.
Dr. Evil, what happened to them?
They were very tired and decided to have a rest. Do you remember the fairy tale about Sleeping Beauty? So, here's the same principle, but they are not going to wake up thanks to a kiss. You can break the stupor, but you don't have much time. So it's better to say goodbye to your friends.
Here we go. Good fun. Well, what do I do about the stupor? It's a very deep sleep that comes from overworking. It borders with a coma, but with lethargy or a stupor, the body supports all the functions of the organs and the person does not die. but only without food and water, they will not last long in this condition. It seems they all drank the punch. I knew it! Somebody mixed the punch with a very powerful sleeping pill. I can make an antidote, but I will need a rare plant, which is only in the city storehouse. Destroy the plant if she comes first.
Come on, who's fast? Not so fast.
I knew you were a robot.
Then you must know that you lost.
We'll see.
I cannot enter, but you cannot get out.
Where is it? Oh, here! Great! Now I need to get out. I remember the Major telling me about the secret exit. There!
It's clever, but will you have time to prepare an antidote?
Done! Am I really late?
What happened? Are we asleep?
Dr. Evil poisoned you, but everything is all right.
Well, this is the best gift. I did not get enough sleep for a long time.
Thank you so much for choosing our cartoons. We have many more for you to watch. Choose one now.